Alright, we're just about done. Just go back over it once more just to make sure we don't have any high spots. Alright, so then we're going to take our board while it's warm yet. Take our board while it's warm yet and clean that up with some alcohol. Alright, so we just finished lifting the chips. We fluxed and using our soldering iron we removed all the excess solder, and then we used the solder braid to clean the pads. Now we are cleaning off all the excess flux that we will not need on here when we go to put the chip back on. So using some Q-tips and some alcohol, we're gonna clean that up, because if this gets too thick, the chip's gonna have seating problems and it's not gonna want to sit properly, and then your balls, the flux will actually keep the balls from flowing properly. Too much baked flux. So I prefer to clean in between the process to make it a little easier. So we're almost done. And then if you use a paper towel to get that up, you want to clean any of that paper off with a Q-tip again, because that paper towel will get stuck on your solder.